Unraveling Holy Cow, Exploring English Expressions. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got a really interesting topic to discuss. We're diving into the world of English expressions, and more specifically, we're going to unravel the meaning and usage of the phrase, holy cow. So, if you're ready to boost your English language skills and add some fun expressions to your vocabulary, you're in the right place. Holy cow is an exclamation used to express surprise, astonishment, or disbelief. It's a phrase you might use when something unexpected happens, or when you hear a piece of shocking news. For example, if someone tells you they've just won the lottery, a natural reaction might be to exclaim, "Holy cow!" The exact origin of the phrase, holy cow, is a bit murky, but it's widely believed to have originated in American slang in the early 20th century. Some think it might have been used as a way to avoid blasphemy, replacing stronger expressions of surprise or disbelief. Regardless of its origin, it's a phrase that has stood the test of time and is still widely used today. Now that we know what holy cow means and have a bit of background on where it comes from, let's look at how you can use it in a sentence. Here are a few examples. 1. Holy cow, did you see that incredible sunset? 2. I just finished the book you lent me, and holy cow, it was amazing. 3. They scored a goal in the last minute of the game? Holy cow! As you can see from these examples, holy cow is used to express a strong reaction to something surprising or impressive. The phrase, holy cow, has also made its way into popular culture, particularly in the United States. It was famously used by baseball announcer Harry Caray, who was known for his enthusiastic and colorful commentary. The phrase has also appeared in various movies, TV shows, and songs over the years, further cementing its place in American English slang. And there you have it, a deep dive into the phrase, holy cow. We hope this video has shed some light on what it means, where it comes from, and how you can use it in your own conversations. Remember, learning these kinds of expressions can really help to enrich your vocabulary and make your English sound more natural and fluent. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.